Welcome to my channel, where we uncover cybersecurity secrets and arm you with the skills to stay safe online. Let's dive in.
This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly. The $9 million heist: how hackers used image malware via WhatsApp. In an audacious digital heist, hackers exploited an innovative technique that combined social engineering and advanced malware to siphon off $9 million from unsuspecting victims. What makes this attack unique? The use of malware hidden in innocent-looking images, transferred through WhatsApp. The anatomy of the attack. The mastermind behind the heist revealed how the operation unfolded. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the attack. 1. Social engineering, building trust. The hackers began by identifying potential victims, focusing on individuals in financial sectors, cryptocurrency exchanges, and high-profile organizations. They posed as clients, business partners, or acquaintances, establishing trust over time. 2. Weaponized image files. The malware was embedded in a seemingly harmless image using a technique called steganography. This method hides malicious code within the pixels of an image, making it virtually undetectable by traditional antivirus software. 3. Delivery via WhatsApp. Once trust was established, the hackers sent the infected image through WhatsApp, leveraging the platform's end-to-end encryption to ensure the image would not be flagged. The recipients, believing the image to be safe, downloaded it to their devices. 4. Exploitation upon viewing. When the image was opened, the malware silently activated, exploiting vulnerabilities in the victim's operating system or messaging app. The malware granted the hackers remote access to the victim's device, enabling them to monitor activities and extract sensitive information like passwords and financial credentials. 5. The heist: draining accounts. With access to banking apps, cryptocurrency wallets, and enterprise networks, the hackers transferred $9 million in funds to offshore accounts. They used mixing services and anonymous cryptocurrency exchanges to launder the money, making it nearly impossible to trace. How the hack was possible. The success of this heist highlights several critical vulnerabilities. Human trust. Hackers capitalized on social engineering to make victims lower their guard. Advanced malware. The use of steganography and custom exploits bypassed most security measures. Encrypted platforms. WhatsApp's encryption ensured that the infected file could not be intercepted or scanned in transit. Lessons learned. This attack serves as a wake-up call for individuals and organizations to enhance their cybersecurity practices. Verify sources. Be cautious about opening unsolicited images, even from trusted contacts. Update software. Keep devices and applications updated to patch vulnerabilities. Use antivirus software. Invest in robust security tools capable of detecting steganography-based attacks. Educate employees. Organizations should train staff to recognize social engineering tactics. The aftermath. Although the hackers managed to escape with the loot, law enforcement agencies and cybersecurity experts are analyzing the attack to trace the perpetrators. This incident has reignited discussions about the security challenges posed by encrypted messaging apps and the sophistication of modern cybercrime. Closing thoughts. The $9 million WhatsApp heist is a testament to the evolving landscape of cyber threats. It underscores the importance of staying vigilant and adopting proactive cybersecurity measures. As technology advances, so do the methods of hackers, making it essential for everyone to remain one step ahead. Disclaimer: this post is for informational purposes only and aims to raise awareness about cybersecurity threats. It does not promote or endorse illegal activities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.